AI won't replace lawyers, but it will augment their roles. The key is to find and use AI as a teammate, allowing it to handle the heavy lifting, repetitive, mundane tasks so that you can focus on the things and tasks that add the most value. AI will enhance, not hinder their training and development. The best lawyers for the next generation will be a blend of traditional expertise and AI literacy, with the key skills of discernment, being able to exercise critical judgment, verify and evaluate outputs, and also have prompting skills. These new capabilities will complement traditional learning. AI is an opportunity to amplify and magnify the human value in the delivery of legal services, not diminish it. Firms with integrated plans will be the biggest winners, as they're aware that the profession will grow and evolve with new roles being available to junior lawyers. The key question is, how can we use AI to enhance our human strengths, whether that is exercising critical judgment, discretion, and empathy, being able to find those novel arguments, or being able to communicate more effectively with our clients. It is a combination of all of these things that will allow us to be more AI confident.